Here we are solving apple division problem from introductory problem of CSES problem set. There are n apples with known weights. Your task is to divide the apple into two groups so that the difference between the weight of a group is minimal. Okay, let us say we have 5 apples. So we have to create two groups of apples, such as here they have created group 1 with apple of 2, 3 and 4 kg, and group 2 with apple of 1 and 7 kg. So group 1 weighs 9 kg and group 2 weighs 8 kg. Hence the difference between two groups is 1, which is minimum, and our output. Let us code this. Well, first input will be feature input. Second input will be list, which will be ls, actually sorted list of integer I or I in input dot lit. Okay, we will now find sum of all the elements, which is sum of ls. Now what we will do is we will create a function, or we can say recursive function, to check each element of the sorted list. Minimum. Okay, we will pass s and our list as argument. Now if length of our list is 1, then there is a no chance of creating two groups. So what we will do is we will return absolute value of s minus 2 into ls of 0. Now if a list is greater than 1 or is having more element than 1, then what we will do is we will create a new element m, which will be absolute value of s minus 2 into ls of 0, and we will use this absolute method, or the m, to compare it with each and every element within the list. For I in ls, m equals to minimum of m, or absolute value of minimum of s minus 2 into ls of, now here we will take I because I will be changing, and we will find minimum between this number and at the end we will return m, print minimum of s comma ls. Let us check. Okay, having an error. ls the position of ls. Okay. Where is our for loop for I in range 1 comma length of ls? It should work most probably now. Okay, still missing ls, missing. I messed up with the brackets, I think. Yeah, here we got our output. Thanks for watching the video.